I've made it back down to this cool rock formation, and I did cross the creek and continued along the trail for just a moment. And like I said, it does go away from the water, and so like it was getting hard to even hear it. So I just stopped and came on back down because that really wasn't the adventure I was looking for today. Check out this rock. Urgh. Holy moly. Okay. Come back, Christy. Come back. So listen, like, this is really cool. So this is a big rock cliff over here. And that's probably where that trail is leading to, now that I look at it. Interesting. Okay. Well, there we are. I will come back another day and explore that that a bit further. This is a like an out and back, or it looks like on the map it could be a point to point. And so I want to investigate that a little bit more and maybe partner up with somebody and do this whole thing in a point-to-point type of deal. So, yeah. I don't know if you can see that rock over there. Like, that is so neat from this side. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Listen.